This is Jarvis Desktop. It's a fully local AI chat app, one built in a weekend. No cloud, no telemetry, no accounts. Just a Tauri window, an ollama model, and a small Python backend. Let me show you what it does. Here's the empty state. 3 conversations in the sidebar, each one pinned to a different model. Watch. Quick Q&A uses the smallest model, Qwen 3.5.8 billion. Fast, dumb, good for trivial stuff. Code review uses the coder model, 32 billion. Big, slow, good for code. And deep research uses the default, Qwen 3.59 billion. The middle ground. Click the model bar at the top, you can swap models per conversation. Or set a default in settings. Each conversation remembers its own model. The sidebar shows a small badge so you can see at a glance which conv is using what. Feature 2, RAG. I can drop any document in and the model reads it without me copy-pasting. I've already ingested this, the history of coffee. The model has never seen it. Who first cultivated coffee as a crop? While it thinks, watch the status bar at the bottom, the model name is highlighted. Here is what is happening under the hood. The question gets embedded into a vector. The top matching chunks get pulled from the document. Those chunks get stuffed into the prompt, alongside the question. The model is reading the document live, in context, just for this one answer. See the citation, square bracket 1. That is the model saying, this came from a document I have, not from my training data. The 1 refers to the first chunk in the vector store, the one the retriever judged most relevant. That is the whole point of RAG, answers you can verify, with sources you can check. Feature 3, Facts. Jarvis remembers things about me across sessions. 5 facts already saved. Name, location, hardware, preferences, project. The model pulls the relevant ones into context for every chat. What is my hardware? While it thinks, same idea as the RAG, but different. Facts are little memory snippets about you that live in a separate list. On every message, the system takes the top matching facts and stitches them into the system prompt. So the model sees them as ground truth before it even reads your question. That is why it knows my name, my hardware, my preferences, without me re-explaining every time. And the matching is fuzzy, vector lookup, not just keywords. And it ranks by recency, something I told it last week outweighs something from a year ago. In v2, this gets smarter. The model will write its own facts mid-conversation. I tell it a preference, and it just saves it. No bookmark, no button, no setup. That is the loop I am building toward. It knew. Without me re-explaining. But what if the model misses a fact, or you want to lock something in, right now, this turn? New conversation. I am going to type, by the way, my favorite cheese is cheddar. Send. Why did I build this? Because the alternative was bad. So I built Jarvis. It is not magic. It is just mine, and it works the way I work. Was that saved? Let me check the facts panel. It is not there. See the extract from active chat button. Click it. And there it is, cheddar. Saved. And if I want the same thing without any extra steps, see this little bookmark icon next to the send button. If I click that before sending, the next reply gets force extracted into facts, and the source conversation gets pinned as the citation. So when I come back next month and ask, what cheese do I like, the model knows, and it can point to the exact conversation where I told it. Feature 4, Security. This is the part one care about most. Jarvis is private, but private is a marketing word. Let me show you what private actually means here. There are 3 guards. File policy refuses to even look at .env, .ssh, idrsa, .pem. Credential stripper redacts API keys, tokens, JWTs from anything the model sees. And a prompt injection scanner catches things like ignore previous instructions in user input or in documents you ingest. Let me show you. Here is my open key sk-proj, pause, and a fake 40-character key. Redacted. The model never saw the secret. The toast in the bottom right tells you it caught it. Click the shield, you can see exactly what got caught, when, and where. Audit trail. And the file policy, blocked. The file policy refused to even read the file. It never even tried to read it. Feature 5, drag and drop. Drop a file on the chat input, it attaches. Drop a file on the RAG panel, it ingests. The UI knows what you meant by where you dropped it. And the status bar, the little strip at the bottom, shows the current model, the security shield, the RAG button, the facts button, settings. Everything you need at a glance. So that's Jarvis version 1.0. 6 big things: multi-model routing, RAG, persistent facts, drag drop, the security layer, and a clean svelte UI on top of a Tauri shell with a Python backend. What's next? An Iron Man HUD redesign, voice input and output, proactive agents that run on a schedule, a skills system so the model can actually do things on your computer, and a learning loop so it gets better the more you use it. If you want to see the Iron Man version, subscribe. Thanks for watching.